What are the darkest sides of psychology? Human beings, animals and plants, all living creatures, are hardwired to always work the way up towards their own survival. This basically means not only doing the best against all odds to stay alive and healthy, but also eliminating anything or anyone who puts up a competition. In a larger picture of things, that would just mean we are all psychologically selfish. And whether we like to admit it or not, all our problems and activities of even normal day-to-day life, whether at home or at work, is subtly geared towards saving ourselves. We don't realize it because, thanks to God or nature, it is often beautifully concealed under the guise of love and care. Or surviving wouldn't be so pleasant or worthwhile. Some examples of survival are: humans wage wars from the smallest to the biggest war to survive. You might say, they did it for glory or winning a territory or have a revenge. Or help a friend in need. But if you look closely, even glory or winning territory or revenge or helping that friend is deeply linked with their own survival. All revolutions and upheavals in human history are about survival, even though we like to explain them away as fight for justice, fight for a cause, and so on. The cause itself is often about survival of something. All criminals, whether petty thieves, swindlers, or cold-blooded murderers, mafia and drug lords, etc., are for their own survival. Likewise, every weapon, or peace instrument, self-defense technique, mechanism, protection of any kind, is about survival. The entire concept of love, family, society, community living, trades, agriculture, money is for human survival. From this point of view, peace, cooperation, mutual understanding, peaceful coexistence also ultimately means survival of the self. The chief function of all living creatures is to reproduce. Why? So the species can survive. Mothers across species will do anything beyond the physical capacity to protect the young in order for the survival. A fetus will leach its mother's body for nutrients, specifically calcium, from her bones to feed itself if the mother doesn't eat enough. Human body itself is highly fine-tuned to activate self-preservation under life-threatening circumstances. Females will stop menstruating when they are under extreme stress. Human mind will create imaginary reality for itself to protect the person from trauma. Most mental illnesses are a direct result of this. Carnivorous plants, in absence of nutrients, will start eating insects. Indeed, the whole drama, art and science of evolution is basically only about survival. Any large tree doesn't let smaller plants to grow under it. We all are someone's food, and we all have someone on our plate. Note, I like to explore things from different perspectives. It is very exciting and eye-opening.